Hey there, welcome back to My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop. My yard is my garage. Today we're working on our 2010 Mini Cooper R57 with an N14 engine. It's Cooper S. And as you can see, we're in a bit of a disassembly today, but we're on the downhill. We're on the downhill of this, so we're going to be assembling today, seeing how far we can get. We still have some parts coming. We're going to switch from the original plastic thermostat housing over to an aluminum one. I hear it helps cool better and seal better, but I don't know. We made it 305 with the original. We'll see. All right, let's just start putting this back together. Okay, so take your timing locker. Go ahead and put that in here where it needs to be, just ahead of time. We've already put our oil pump back in. We haven't tightened it down. It uses those really strange kind of hex fittings. I think it is an T45. E would be the other way. T's an Audi, I guess, but T45, and these get tightened to 25 Newton meters. Go out and get yourself, you can see Amazon Basics, but hey, 25 Newton meters. This has Newton meters on one side, right here, foot-pounds on the other, so we're set at 25 Newton meters. One, two, three. That's tightened. Now we need to clean off the old gasket, and the old gasket was just RTV, so room temperature vulcanization, and we'll just clean that up and squirt some new on there. Make sure you get it in this groove here. Make sure you get your RTV into the groove here. That's the sealing groove. Go around each hole, continue on. And that's how you do that. Put it on right away. Go ahead and put the bolts in, but you don't tighten them down at all. Just slightly finger tight until you see some of the material coming out. Then just let it sit for about an hour and then torque it down. And it's 12 Newton meters. I think in inch pounds is 107. Yeah, 107. All right, there we go. Let's get this on. Always throw one at opposite sides. Keeps it from getting too crazy. All right, we'll come back in an hour and torque these down. All right, done. Let's put a new one of those on and we'll flip this over. Newton-meters. All right, for now we're done on the bottom. Let's spin this over and we'll start working on the top side. Okay, we got engine assembly lube on all of our cam bearing spots in the head. Now let's go ahead and get the lifters and tappets put in. Make sure those stay in the same order that you got them out of the engine. I'll show you how these go in. Here's our next one. Ta-da. Been letting it soak in oil. Place it down into the hole, push it down, make sure it seats. There you go. Then you just do that about 1,000 more times. Almost forgot. Make sure you put assembly lube on top of each one of these. Top of it. Going to double check our alignment here, make sure that we're putting these in properly. All right, see this orientation? You got the divot with the number in it. That goes on the outside. Just like this. I'm going to leave them a little bit loose. Starting with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, I'm not going to tighten these up because I've got a tappet that's bad, and that's this last one right here. So I've got that on the way, so there's nothing I can do. Now, so we're going to have to button this up until that new tappet arrives. Then I can finish this up because I don't want to torque one side down and not torque the other down. To me, that just says that's something that's going to cause some problems. So I'd rather torque them all down at the same time. So now we wait. Yep. Now we wait. And down for sleep again. Well, that is that. So we have a bad tappet. Won't compress. Won't do the hydraulic oily lifty thing. So I've got a new one of those on its way. So yet again, baby steps, baby steps, baby steps. Thank you for coming along on this adventure. I'm Bishop. My yard is my garage. And I thank you for any comments you want to leave. Hit subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Hit the bell if you want to be notified by whichever magic they do, new content that I drop down. And, well, tomorrow's another day. More parts coming. Thank you again. We'll see you next time. Bye.